आपसे सवाल ये है कि आपके फादर ने आपसे कहा था कि जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं। उसका हमें मतलब समझाएं।
I think the advice my father gave me was the best advice. If you want to be successful, if you want to be happy, you want to be well-to-do, you want to create new things, आप कुछ भी ना करें। जैसे डॉक्टर इस वक्त कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप नोट कर रहे हैं? ये जीता जागता एग्जाम्पल है जो मेरे बाप ने मुझे सिखाया था कि जो कुछ नहीं करते वो कमाल करते हैं। But genuinely he told me once, I think the reason he told me this, and I'd like to tell this to all the youngsters because the connotation should not be wrong. You know, हमको हमारे माँ बाप जो है बहुत अच्छाई से दिल से चाहते हैं कि you know we should do well, and we sometimes find ourselves being a little pushy also. You will also realize when you become parents. You don't know it, but you are becoming a bit pushy. Kids are, you know, they're fragile. And we have a lot of issues growing up, adolescence, and sometimes parents don't realize it, but they want the best for us. And ye bano, ye bano, ye bano. So my mother would say this, don't be like your dad. You know why? Mummiyon ka hota hai na, the parents have this issue between themselves. You know, but you know what? He's too nice. He's too honest. Don't be like him. Be practical. Earn money, which is good advice I took. He said, work hard, but don't be too honest and, you know, above board like him. To work on a site sometimes, which should not be the truth. So he just wasted his whole degree and he would sit at home. So he said, you know, तुम ये करो. If I go and ask him, Dad, मैं South Extension चले जाऊँ साइकिल चला के मेन रोड पे, जैसे जब हम तुम्हारी उम्र के थे पहाड़ों पे नंगे पाँव चढ़ जाते थे यार, तो तुम क्या ये तुम मुझसे पूछ रहे हो यार हौसका से South Extension जाओ ना यार, तुम ऐसी बातें मत करो ना. And then one day he told me, I'm going to tell you be this, I'm going to tell you be this, I'm going to tell you be this, but the thing that you remember is कि जो कुछ नहीं करते वो भी कमाल करते हैं. So if you don't do something, at least be happy and enjoy life, and I think that's the best advice.